Hi, in this new session, we will learn about insertion at given position in singly linked list. So, let's begin. Here, you are given a linked list, a value x to be inserted and position at which we have to insert our value x. Now, in the present example, we have to insert value x equals to 4 at position 2. So, in the output, we will insert our value 4 at position 2, as you can see here. Now in the second example, you can see we have to insert x equals to 8 at position equals to 5. So in the output, we have insert our value 8 at position 5. That is the end of the linked list. Now let's see this example. User has given position which is not a valid position. That is, position 4 is not a valid position. Reason being, we do not have third position filled. So how can we have a node at fourth position? So in such cases, we do not need to make any changes in our linked list. So if someone gives position which is beyond current size plus 1, then we did not insert anything or modify the linked list. Now I suggest pause this video and think of the solution that takes a head of the linked list as argument, a position as argument, and a data item as argument in the function. And this function should modify the linked list, should insert data item at given position, and should return the head of the linked list. So let's get the idea of basic implementation of insert at position function. Here you are given a linked list of size 5. You have to insert element x equals to 9 at position equals to 4. So basically you have to insert it between 8 to 10. So now to insert element between 8 to 10, you have to get hold of this node 8, as 8's next will point to 9 only. So how can you get it? You can simply just run a loop. Now question arises, how much time you will run the loop, as your current is initially pointing to head of the linked list and you want to come at this position 3. So for this, in this case, you have to run loop 2 times. So basically it is position minus 2 times. So after running loop for position minus 2 times, you can reach at the current node 8, and finally you can insert new node and link it with 8's next. So let's see. First, you will allocate new memory to node having data value 9. Now what should we do? How do we change the links? Now here we are having two options, current of next equals to temp or temp of next equals to current of next. So if you change current of next equals to temp first, then you will lose the track to remaining linked list. So first we will do temp of next equals to current of next. That is, we will link temp to current of next. After this step, we will do current of next equals to temp. Reason being, here now we can break this link, as we have hold of remaining linked list through variable temp. So finally my linked list will look like this with 9 at 4th node. So let's see the implementation of insert at pos function. At first we will initialize memory to the new node x and store its reference in pointer temp. Now we want to get hold of node 8. So we will use the current pointer. At first we will initialize our current pointer to head. Now we will run a loop for position minus 2 times, which will help to move current from position 1 to position 3. This is the required loop. In this loop, we have also made one condition that current should not be equals to null, as it will give the segmentation fault. Now once we reach the third position, we will do temp of next equals to current of next. Then after, we will link the node 8 next to 9. So we will simply do current of next equals to temp. Now our node 9, which was to be inserted at position 4, has been inserted. So simply we return the head. So this is the basic implementation of our code. Have a look at this code and think whether this code is completely correct. Does it require any changes or it misses some corner cases? Think for a minute and then look back. So now let's look the corner cases. The first corner case is if someone passes position as 1. So you need to change head of the linked list. In that case, your new node becomes the head of the linked list. So we will handle this case explicitly. That is, if position equals to 1, you will simply do temp of next equals to head and return the new head as temp. The second corner case is if this loop terminates for current equals to null. That means someone gives you incorrect input. That is, if you get position greater than the size of the linked list. So in that case, you have to simply return the head of the linked list without making any changes in your linked list. So let's see. So here, if your current equals to null, you will just simply return the head without making any changes to your linked list. I hope you get the logic. Now let's check whether our insert at post function is correct or not. So this is the program code. In the main function, I have first inserted 5 nodes. This is insert at post function. This is the same code which we have just studied. So let's check it. Here you can see linked list before insertion was 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, and linked list after insertion at position 4, the value 9 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is matching our desired output. So I hope you get the logic. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment below. We will try to answer as soon as possible.